guys, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and I know that it's been quite some time since I've been in front of the camera, but I did want to take the opportunity to hop on camera and do a very quick video on 4 free Mother's Day gift ideas. So I'm not going to prolong this video, so let's hop right in. Now, the first gift idea I have is every single year, Walgreens offers a like a free print. So they'll give a code. You go to walgreens.com. Typically, they will advertise that free code on their website. So you'll go to walgreens.com, look at that code, go in, upload your print, and then pick the Walgreens that is closest to you, and you can go pick up that print absolutely free, no strings attached. This is such a great gift idea because you can sometimes create more Mod Podge type photos, or you know, the ones that have like several photos in one. I don't know why I can't think of the formal name for that right now, but those would be absolutely amazing for you to use for Mother's Day. Now, the next gift idea that I have is to create a video. Like if you have siblings that are very far away and you guys aren't able to all be home at the same time in time for Mother's Day, each one of you guys can create your greeting and include your children so that the grandchildren can do their greeting, and then have one person designated to do all of the editing. And you can use iMovie. Someone has an iPhone, right? It's very, very easy to use. Or you can use Quick to edit your video, and that way you can also include pictures. You can also include pictures on iMovie as well. So that would be like an absolutely awesome Mother's Day gift. And then you can upload it to maybe YouTube or send it to her via Facebook. I mean, there are so many opportunities there, and it's absolutely free. Now, the third gift idea that I have is something that is so fun to me as a child. It's like such a fun childhood memory, and that is doing some type of like program or something like that for your mom. So when we were young, I would do like dramatic monologues or dramatic expressions. My middle brother and my youngest brother, they would do like a rap, and then my sister, she would do like a liturgical dance or some type of praise dance right there in the living room. So we put on like our own Mother's Day program. And even when my mom turned 50, we definitely did a program for her during her 50th birthday celebration. So that is such a wonderful and free gift to give back to your mom, and it is so appropriate because you're able to use the gifts and talents that have been instilled and passed on to you, and so it's such a blessing for you to give back in that way. The next gift that I think is absolutely amazing, like my in-laws, they don't even like cards anymore. They used to love cards back when I first started dating my husband. I was a scrapbooker, but now they are not at all into cards. They would much rather have like a really heartfelt post on Facebook. So just find like the best picture of the two of you and sit down and really gather your thoughts and your memories and write a super heartfelt post and post it on your mom's Facebook page. She will be the talk among all of her friends. Like, they will absolutely love that. And I think it makes such a great gift idea in lieu of a card. Now, you can still give a card if your mom loves cards, but if your mom is social media savvy and she loves social media, she will definitely appreciate the Facebook message or the Facebook greeting. And you can do that with the card as well, but I wanted to give you guys some free gift ideas. Now, in reference to the gift idea that I told you guys about putting on a full program, I think that kids would be, you know, great, like grandchildren. If you're too old and you're like, well, we're not gonna sing or dance or whatever, you may be a musical family. Like, taking that time to sit down and kind of sing together and bring all of your talents together is absolutely beautiful. But you can also get the grandkids in on this. They can perform a skit or a monologue or do a dance or whatever the case may be, but it is absolutely free and a beautiful way to create the Momories. I thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it gave you some wonderful tips for free Mother's Day gift ideas just in time for Mother's Day. And if Walgreens has posted a code, check down in the description box below and I will be sure to link that code down below for you. And I think, again, those will be some wonderful, wonderful gifts. And I think I was trying to think of collages. That's the word, collages. You can do like a collage that includes you and the grandkids, and you know, when you have kids, like the parents don't want to see you anymore anyway. But I am rambling. So yeah, so you could do like an 8x10 photo of the family, an 8x10 photo with your mom, a collage, or whatever the case may be, but they will make an amazing gift idea. So, and absolutely free. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to keep up with what I have going on throughout the week when I'm not posting, be sure to visit my YouTube community and also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you guys so much, and a happy Mother's Day to all you beautiful mothers. And for those of you guys who, like myself, your mom has transitioned on to heaven, I have a way that we can celebrate as well. So I will leave the link to that video down below. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.